are doing a massive unboxing. This is the LG Signature OLED TVW. It is the 65-inch version, and this is one of the thinnest TVs ever. It is something that I can't even explain to you in words, and I'm hoping that I can show you here in this video. It is incredible. It's like you put this on the wall, and it's almost like it transports you into another dimension. But let's unbox this so I can show you. There's a bunch of new features in this from the previous version. I got a chance to demo this at CES this year. There's a bunch of AI functions, and of course, I am really excited because I'll be able to control all of my hue lights in my house. So, without further ado, let's start the unboxing. And we're just unboxing, I'm not setting it up. I have professionals coming tomorrow to assist with that. So here's our directions. The TV's delivered, they take it out. Don't punch it, don't drop it. I don't know what those two mean.
Don't pick it up by the corner.
Oh.
No touch.
Good thing you're here.
Yes.
Use two people to lift. What's that one mean? Oh, okay. Okay, instruct, all right. So let's just take a little look at this because I couldn't wait until tomorrow for them to get here. So here's our little welcome kit. Oh, more directions. The actual instructions. It's interesting because the whole setup really isn't that difficult. It's such a small profile. The biggest part of this is the sound bar that everything connects into. So this is what connects to the actual TV to the sound bar. The people who are gonna come here to mount this tomorrow, they're gonna be like, what did you do? Why did you take it apart? So the back of the TV has magnets, so once the mount is on the wall, the TV sort of is just magnetically held into place. And these are some extremely strong magnets. I just want to open this up so bad. What's in here?
Front.
What's it say?
Front.
It says front.
What are we gonna watch?
We can just use AI and tell it whatever we want. Oh my God, I'm not gonna be able to sleep tonight. Like, I'm gonna be tossing and turning just knowing that this is down here and tomorrow's the day. So some of you guys who have been watching my videos for a while, you may notice that this is going in sort of a newer space. I'm kind of doing a little redecorating and moving around, so stay tuned for more updates on that. But for now, probably should go to sleep because, oh, it's late. It's past my bedtime.
One sleep for TV installation.
One more sleep. I'm getting so good at flipping knives. Almost time to start juggling them. Do you think?
No.
I feel like I need a drum roll right now, if I can get one, because it is set up, it is on the wall, this is official. This is the new LG OLED Signature TV. This is a 65-inch. They also have a 77-inch as well. I can't even imagine how massive that is because this is already huge on this wall. You guys have to see how thin this is. Like, look at this. Jenna, can you tell how thin this is from over there?
Kind of. I mean, it just looks like it's part of the wall.
It does. I mean, they don't just call it a wallpaper TV because that's a fun name. I mean, it is a fun name, but they call it a wallpaper TV because it is so thin. Come show them. Do you see what I see? So incredibly shocking. And I've been using the one in my office all the time for video games and watching movies and TV shows and all sorts of things like that. But it's just looking at it still, it's so impressive. And one of the things that I like the most about this new version is it has AI functionality. So what that means is I can basically talk to this television like it's my friend. You're not gonna tell me it's not. Especially when my friend likes to watch iJustine videos. Find me a video of iJustine unboxing an LG TV.
Search results will find me a video of iJustine unboxing an LG TV.
Well, which one do we want? These speakers are also incredible.
And this is my new TV, and I am so extremely excited.
Watch what I can do. Stop playing.
It's too cool, it's never gonna...
Jenna, don't you wish you could do that to me in real life? So one of the newest features in this TV is you can use voice controls to not only control what you're watching, but you can control your home devices. It uses AI ThinQ with a Google Assistant built in, so it creates a center for all of your smart home devices using just your voice. It also works with Amazon Alexa devices. And as you guys know, I'm a huge Hue light fan, so turn off all my lights.
Sure, turning 6 lights off.
Turn my lights back on.
You got it. Turning on 6 lights.
So the display is connected to the soundbar. There's HDMI inputs inside of here, so anything that you want to get displayed on the screen, you just go through the soundbar. And this thing sounds so amazing. It features Dolby Atmos sound. Let's get something bumping here. Play Happier by Marshmello and Bastille. This is the complete opposite of Happy. I love this song so much. Well, we're here for the sound. Let's all close. We are. Okay, shh. Every argument, every word we... Stop playing. So now you can use voice control to control things that you want to watch, but it can also tell me some things that I want to know. Do I need a jacket tomorrow?
No, it won't be cold in Santa Monica tomorrow. Expect a high of 76 and a low of 63.
Can you do math?
Learning is the best. I can do all kinds of calculations. Try asking for the square root of 42, the meaning of an irrational number, or who Pythagoras was.
Who's Pythagoras?
According to Wikipedia, Pythagoras of Samos was an Ionian Greek philosopher and the eponymous founder of the Pythagoreanism movement.
It's my favorite movement. What's 4 plus 4?
The answer is 8.
Now that I've asked her some dumb questions, I think maybe we should watch a movie. Find me a movie on Netflix with Dwayne Johnson.
Search results for movie Dwayne Johnson on Netflix.
I actually have not seen Moana.
What?
Have you seen it?
Yes, twice.
Change to cinema mode.
Picture and sound will be changed to cinema mode.
Wow.
Every time I think you're past this.
Turn off all my lights. Turn on all my lights.
Sure, turning on 6 lights.
Now I'm ready for my film. Oh my God.
We will start a new world.
I'm not used to this new couch. It's shorter than my other. I was trying to be so cool. Well, we're back. I fell off the couch. One of the things that I really like is using all of these AI functionality. You basically can talk to your TV in sort of a natural language, so it'll kind of understand and interpret what you mean. You can say things like, turn my TV off after this program is over, which I think is great because if I do watch TV before I go to sleep, I don't want it to still be on when I wake up in the morning. Find me some yoga videos on YouTube.
Here are YouTube videos for yoga.
Yes!
Bring the feet together
They're together.
and squeeze the legs.
My legs are... I'd rather watch a movie than do yoga. Bless you.
Sorry.
Thanks, so are you.
Find me Planet Earth on Netflix.
Search results for Planet Earth on Netflix.
But not everyone.
They're so cute. No, who doesn't have a partner?
A male buller's albatross waits for his mate. Each year, they spend 6 months apart.
Oh my God. I'm too emotional for this. Stop playing.
This year, she's late.
She's late. Classic woman. I should know because I am one. When you're watching TV, especially in the dark, it is shocking to see the perfect blacks and the infinite contrast. Now this is all made possible by the self-emitting LG OLED pixels. Everything is so true to life. It's such a rich color and sharp contrasts that you really feel like you're inside of the movie or whatever it is that you're watching. You can look through this thing. I also love, check this out. I can make this into a window. Change to standard mode.
Picture and sound will be changed to standard mode.
All right. This looks like an actual picture frame. One of my highlights at CES when I saw this TV is it can also play back higher frame rate videos. So it can go up to 120 frames a second, and shooting slow-mo videos, as you guys know, is probably one of my favorite things. So I'm constantly shooting videos in at least 120 frames a second. We have so much high frame rate content. We should put together a short film. We should. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want more information about this LG OLED signature wallpaper TV, I will put all of the links in the description and you guys can check it out. If you haven't already, be sure to hit subscribe. Make sure you ding the bell so you'll be notified when I post new videos. I'm gonna go watch some of this beautiful, crisp content. Everything is awesome. Find me the Lego movie.